You already have solar panels. But what happens to the extra energy they produce during the day? Without a battery, much of that unused solar energy may be exported instead of being available to you later. A solar battery gives you another option. Store surplus solar energy during the day and use it when you need it. That can be especially useful in the evening, when your solar panels are no longer producing electricity. During daylight hours, your solar system can generate electricity, while the battery stores suitable excess energy for later use. The inverter plays an important role too, helping manage the flow of electricity between your solar panels, battery, home, and grid. So instead of relying entirely on grid electricity after sunset, stored solar energy can help power your home. The potential benefit is greater use of the solar energy you generate yourself, rather than simply sending surplus energy away. But choosing a battery isn't simply about buying the biggest system available. Your energy usage matters. Your daily electricity consumption, solar generation, available space, and future energy needs should all be considered. And because batteries involve electrical equipment and stored energy, installation and testing need to be handled professionally and safely. A proper installation should consider the system design, electrical connections, location, safety requirements, and final testing. For homeowners across Western Sydney, the right battery setup can be designed around how your home actually uses energy. So before installing a battery, look beyond capacity. Consider your solar system, energy habits, home requirements, and professional installation. If you're considering solar battery installation in Western Sydney, BrightPro Electrical can help you find a solution suited to your home.